Brainstorming is an essential component of working in an office scenario in many fields. One such field is design, where designers collectively brainstorm upon ideas while working. A common tool for brainstorming is mind maps made on whiteboards. These mind maps are made and edited collaboratively by multiple designers. Since whiteboards are reused for further brainstorming, the brainstorming is currently documented by capturing and storing them digitally. These images are edited digitally by photo editing software. This makes recording brainstorming a hassle. We present to you Capturing, a tangible tool that enables you to capture your mind maps from your whiteboard, to store them, to edit them, to access them, and to add to them. Capturing is a product designed for use in a design office scenario where multiple designers brainstorm collectively. The product consists of three distinct rings: blue, green, and red. Designer A has an idea and he writes anywhere on the whiteboard. To store the idea, he simply closes a blue capture ring around it and captures an image of the area enclosed in the ring. The ring provides a visual feedback to show that the ring contains an idea. Designer B comes to the whiteboard and wants to access the idea in the ring. He simply opens the ring and the idea contained in the ring pops out from the ring and is projected on the board. He closes the ring once he is done viewing the image. He can add another idea by enclosing it in another blue ring. If designer B wants to add to the initial idea, he can simply write it down anywhere on the board, capture it in a green addition ring, and connect it to the main ring using a connector. Every designer has a unique color marker that they can stack every time they view or add to an idea. Designer C views the ideas by opening the main blue ring and wants to object the idea by mentioning the problems with it. He writes his objection anywhere on the board and captures in a red negation ring and connects it to the main blue ring using a connector. He adds his unique color marker to the stack. Multiple designers can create a mind map by adding many connector rings to the main idea and creating multiple idea rings. This enables collaborative brainstorming around a single idea or multiple ideas and usage of a tangible tool to effectively store, edit, and reproduce it, thus making brainstorming simple and intuitive, in turn making lives of designers simple and mind maps more effective. The hardware involves two cameras and fiducian markers. Processing was used for camera triggering and image processing.